Good day all. Today I would like to explain about how to install Java. Just look at this website, and this is the website where you can download Java software. And before going to proceed further, you should understand the software, that is Java, which is consisting of two things, that is JDK and JRE. JDK stands for Java Development Toolkit and JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. From this website you can directly download the required Java version for Windows operating system, and you can choose either 64 or 86. You can just click on this, then it will start downloading, and you can just download and keep it in your system somewhere in location. For example, I downloaded and placed my JDK version as well as JRE versions inside the drive. Just double click on this file. It's a .exe file. Then it will start installing into system, and it takes several minutes. Just you have to install JDK as well as JRE into your system. In my system already, which is installed, let me explain about the rest of the steps. And just I'm cancelling because it is already installed in my system. So just let's close this, go back to C drive. Remember, once JDK and JRE installed into your system, then you can able to see a Java folder inside C drive, program files and Java. Now look at into this Java folder, you can find JDK as well as JRE, and the version which I installed is Java 1.7. Now in JDK, these all are the different folders, and in JRE these are all of the different folders which we got. Now once we done with the installation, the most important point is we need to set the required appropriate environment variables to start working with Java applications. Now we required two different steps. The first one is we need to set path. To set a path, I'll show you where we need to set a path and what is the value which we need to set for that. Let's go to start menu, right click on computer, go to properties, then advanced system settings, environment variables. Now look at here, whatever the paths which are already existed, just I'm trying to delete, so that we'll try to reconfigure again. Just go to, after deleting, now there is no path and class path settings here, and you can just select new directly and go to a variable name. The variable name is path is a variable name, and the value of this variable we need to go back to C, a JDK and bin. Now choose this a JDK bin and copy paste into variable value. So that is the first path which is required, that is a path, and the value is it should point to JDK bin. And the second one which is required, that is step 2, is we need to set class path. To set a class path, again go back to environment variables and click on new, type class path. The variable value of class path is Java. Go to GRE and bin. Now select the path, that is C program files Java GRE bin. Copy path and paste. Just click on OK. Now remember, I am done with both the path settings, that is class path as well as path. Both settings are done. Then click on OK and OK. Now once we set these two paths, now it is done. Next one is how to verify whether Java is configured into our system or not. To verify this configuration, just go to run, go to command prompt. Now type Java C, that is Java compiler. Press enter. Now remember, if you type Java C, now I am able to see the required options related to Java C. I am able to see all the settings. Means now Java compiler is set. To check with the Java, that is runtime environment, just type Java and press enter. You should be able to find these files. Then now path as well as class path, both are set properly. Now you can able to execute Java programs. And to understand whether it is really configured or not, I'll do a small experiment. Like, let me go to advanced system settings, go to environment variables, and just I wanted to remove this. Select path and just delete. Say OK, OK, done. Now remember, whenever we do any modifications in path, that is advanced environment variables, then immediately we have to exit from the command prompt and try to reopen again command prompt and check now, that is Java C. Now if you try to understand, because I removed the path setting from advanced system settings, that's the reason now my system couldn't be able to identify Java compiler, that is Java C. So remember, why do we need to set two different paths in the system environment variables? The reason is the path which is going to be represent Java C, that is a Java compiler. And second one, class path is required to execute our Java program, that is a Java tool. So we require two different paths to work with Java programming. So let me see, there is no path. So let me reset again path. Just say OK. Just click on OK. Okay, done. Now remember, if you try to execute again Java C, it won't show you. The reason is, once we do any modifications in either path or class path, then immediately we have to exit from the current command prompt and reopen. Now try to use Java C, that is Java compiler. Now I am able to see again files which are configured already. I am able to see. This is how we need to verify whether Java is configured properly or not.